I start to sail along these ocean waves. Nobody knows how to find us. It's turning out to be a perfect day. I just wanna leave our normal lives behind us. So let's get lost out here, no one else out here. Find ourselves out here.
Hello everybody, what's up? I hope you're doing great today because we're going to compare the makeup look of 2019 and 2021 in two different sides, and it's gonna be a summer makeup look, so I'm sure you're gonna love it. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on notification on so you can be aware of our newest and latest face stores and makeup and cosplays. So I'm sure you're gonna love them, so don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn notifications on. Thank you. I've separated my face in two sides so you can get what I'm doing better. In 2019, the heavy makeups were fashionable. So contouring and highlighting before using a foundation was really popular among influencers, bloggers, and even celebrities. So we're going to do it for here. But for this part, I'm only gonna use some light foundation because it's the trend. For the blush, I'm gonna use under my foundation. I'm gonna use a lipstick because it should be sticky and I prefer this color, so I'm using a lipstick. And now I fade them all together. But you know, it's not necessary to fade your contour a lot because this makeup called the stage makeup, and usually they don't fade it a lot, unlike other times. But for this part of my face, 2021, because I want it to be light, I'm using a CC cream. For stage makeups, after contouring and highlighting our face, we're gonna use a light foundation. So again, I'm using this CC cream and only on the parts that I've contoured. Now we can contour and highlight our face like always. I prefer powder one. But I love this one because even before doing all the makeup, it has some kind of shades which I love it so much. And in 2021 we don't contour a lot, so only a little bit to give it some shades. And for 2019, again, I use a lot of concealer, but only under my eyes because we use concealer before the foundation. But here, just a little bit here and here for lifting the eyes, and also a little bit here. We use a lot of big powder for under our eyes and even in this part of the nose. Actually, we were using a lot of cosmetics in 2018, but here, not a lot. Just a little bit here. And we made a whole part of the face. But I guess the big change was for the eyebrows because we don't make up a lot our eyebrows and just brush them with some soap like this. But honestly, they're not my favorite trend of the year. I like them for others, but for me, they're not really beautiful. But again, we brush this eyebrow and we use pencil and eyebrow shadows. Okay, I gotta be honest with you, I like this one more than this. The initial doesn't look good on me. I like this. Colorful eyeliners besides black ones are the trends of these years, so I'm gonna use for this part. these two colors gives me so much summer vibes, so I'm gonna use them today. See, it's much easier to follow the trend of this year. With this one, we got lots of work to do. So first, I'm using this brown for the outside parts of my eyes. Actually. And then this green for these parts. Then I clean it with concealer and remove the extra parts. Then the eyeliner. I don't really know why I drew this line, but I really like it. So I'm just gonna let it be here. You know, it's not that kind of makeup that anybody would love, but I love it so much. And again, we use some green for here. And then we get a beautiful cut crease because we want to use pink on it. And mascara as much as we can. For blush, I use a shiny one, this color for here, above my contouring part. For this part, I'm using a pink one, and for this part, you know, on my cheek and a little bit on my nose, just to make it cute. I don't know why, but the trend is to be cute. And do not forget the fake fake glasses for 2021. Since 2020, I guess. These are so popular. So if you have fake glass, you are too lucky. For 2019, I use pencil and this matte lipstick. For 2021, we only use a lip gloss. Oh, and highlighter. Yeah, I've completely forgotten about it. So for 2019, we use a lot for here. So guys, what do you think? Which year do you like more? I really can't decide which one I like it. You know, this one is really simple and lovely, and this one is, you know, some part of it is too much, but I love both of them. You know, we can use this one for just some kind of routine walk or hanging out with some friends, and this part for some parties, for example. This is my preference. Okay, let me remove this line so you can decide better. I seriously like both of them, but you tell me, what do you like, which one do you prefer more in the comments, and tell me your opinion, and tell me what kind of video do you want me to make for next video. I'm looking for your comments and your likes and subscription, and love you guys so much. Have a nice day, weekend, anything. Bye bye.